Hi class, this is Professor Olivar. I am recording this video so that I can help you record your Flipgrid audio or video recordings. So let's begin. You can start at the home page. You can either click modules here or click modules here. It doesn't matter. Okay. Now that you're in the module, so we'll start with module 1. Go ahead, go to group discussion and click Flipgrid number 1. And then click load Flipgrid number 1. Just make sure that every time you record a Flipgrid, it has to come from Canvas. Start from Canvas and don't start from the website. It has to come from Canvas. So I know that you did the homework. Okay. So to record an audio or video, well, before we do that, the first thing you'll see at the top is our topic. So Flipgrid number 1, introduce yourself plus meet and greet. So here I want you to answer the questions. There's 4 questions right here to answer. And then if there is another student, another classmate, if another classmate recorded something on Flipgrid, you could say hi, you can say something nice to them, but at least say something to 2 other students in the class. Okay, so let's begin. So you click record, and I'm just waiting for this to work here. Okay. So, okay, so you can click the record button here or the audio button here. Okay, so you can click here for audio or this for video. Okay, right now my video is not showing. I think because I'm using another software, another type of software for recording video. But for now, if you want to click an audio, you just click here where it says audio, and then click the circle. So right now it's recording me, and then I could click stop right there. Then you click next on the right. Now, there we go. It's going crazy there. Okay, so now you can see. If I don't like the video or the audio, I can delete the clip. I can click delete. So I'm going to delete the clip. Delete the clip. Okay, now it's deleted. I can start again. So I'm waiting for this is my video for class. Stop the video. Go next. This is my video for class. Okay, if I like the video, let me pause that. If I like the video, I can click next. If I don't like the video, I click delete clip. If I want to add to the video, I go back. So you click back. You can you can record more, okay, if you want to. But let's not do that. Click next. This is my video for class. Okay, and then I click next again. Now, you don't have to write any captions or any links. You don't have to type anything here. If you want to take a picture or a selfie, you can do that. You don't have to do that. It's all optional. And then when I'm ready, I click post topic. Post to topic. All done. Click go to topic. That's the topic right there. And now you can see I have a lot of videos. Pretend these are different students in class. So if I want to respond to someone, I'll click here, and I'll click here. I really liked your video. Okay. Now I can click here, the little dialog box that I'm pointing at right here. You click that. I don't want you to type anything. I want you to record, okay? Because this is a pronunciation class. I want you to speak to your classmates. So click record. Again, you can click a video or audio. It's up to you. And then, so let's do audio again. Your video was great. Okay, I stop the video or the audio, click next. Your video was great. Can listen to it, click next, post. Done. And you'll do this for 2 other students. First, record your video. That's the main, it's important. Record your video and then post it and then respond to 2 other students. Now, if you wanted to record a video, you can do that. So click record and you can actually put a background. And something's wrong with my Flipgrid, but normally you would see your face here. Actually, let me, I think because I'm using the camera for 2 different things, I'm going to hide that. Oh. Well, I'll do the recording here. Same thing, you record your video, blah, 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 blah. Stop it, click next or retake if you want. Same thing, you record your video. And then you could delete the clip. Blah, 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 blah. So say if I delete the clip. Okay. And then I can put a background if I wanted to. I'll put that for a background. And then, okay, so I can click record. There we go. And then you can go next. And then you can go next. And then you can go next. And then post to topic. Okay, and that's all you have to do. And go to topic. And you click here. And now there's all these recordings that I've been doing today. Okay, so that's all you have to do. You have like 3 minutes to record. And so I hope you have fun doing this. If you have any questions, just email me and let me know how I can help you. All right, class, good luck.